Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send your money through a remotely account. So you can see this is the Remitly online banking website. So it's really easy and simple. So you have to send your money, like you can see United States. You can choose the different country, then you will get according to your setting country. So you can send it through from USA, Germany, or any country. Okay, then you have to choose here. So maybe you will send money from United States, so this you have to set your country first, and after that from where you will receive this amount of money, then you can see it's the sending money. So how can you choose it? So it's the BDT. So what you need to do, you need to click here and go to settings, and then come here and you can see send from United States and sending to. So you can choose your country, which country, from which country you receive the money. So for example, I'm just going to choose wait a second, like okay, I am, so any country, maybe Croatia. Okay, and then save, and after that go to the home page, and it's the updating. You need to wait for a while, and then you can see, so it's the United States and this is the Croatia. You have to give how much USD or your euro you'll receive. So for example, I'm give 1000 and they receive 915, and if you simply click on the continue. Okay, and if you from the other country, then you have to set some criteria here. So for example, I'm just going to click settings. You have to change the setting first. You have to set which country you are and which country they are. So sending, okay, sending to. So you have to, okay, E S I. So maybe you're from India, so save this and go back and send money. Okay, go back your home page, and after that you can see the United States. So simply click on the down arrow and you have to choose like United States. Okay, I'm just going to choose, and there is something. So there will be very some like it's express or it's economy you have to choose, and there are some specific criteria. Okay, or if you want to receive this money from Bangladesh, then go to settings, or like settings, and okay, and then you have to set the sending money. Okay, so sending, I'm just going to choose the okay, Bangladesh, and save it and go back to the home page. Okay, so you can see this is the home page. So it's really easy. If you send money from United States to someone in Bangladesh, then you have to send account, and you will see how much exchange, like how much one USD equal how much BDT. You will see here 113. So just for example 1000, and you will see how much they receive, and you have to set the delivery method. So here you can see there is some mobile money, so zero fee every time, so there is no fee applicable here, and bank deposit and cash pickup. Okay, and you have to select, and after that select one, and which method you are using you have to set it here. Okay, for example there are debit card, credit card, or bank account. So from where, like instant, if you send a debit card or credit card, you can send instantly, and if you use your bank account, then it takes 3 to 6 days to send, or to sending this money to your maybe a buyer or something, whatever. And after that simply click on the continue. Okay, so okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching the video.